Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today? Fine, okay. Well, in the previous video, I have told you that used to has another meaning. And now I will tell you the other meaning. um, for today, there are two patterns I will tell you. First, used to, plus, and the second one is was or were used to. Let's begin with the first example. I have friend, he like playing kite, and he doesn't play kite anymore. And the sentence is, he used to, he used to play kite when he was child. And the second one is, he was used to playing a kite when he was child. Yeah. Both of the sentences have the same meaning. The meaning is terbiasa. Dia terbiasa bermain layang-layang. Ya, that's ketika masih anak-anak. Okay, that's for the first example. And now for the second example. Were used to and used to. First is, we used to play soccer when we were children. We used to play soccer when we were children. And the second example is, we were used to playing soccer when we were children. Well, do you know the difference now? Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.